Hello, plant enthusiasts. In this video, we are going to tell you everything about Alocasia macrorrhiza plants. Aglaonema, a comprehensive guide to care and maintenance. Aglaonema, known colloquially as Chinese evergreen, stands out as an enchanting and adaptable houseplant cherished by both beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts. Its lush foliage, available in an array of patterns and colors, adds a touch of nature's elegance to any indoor space. This article aims to provide an in-depth understanding of Aglaonema's maintenance conditions, ensuring a thriving and visually captivating addition to your home. Understanding Aglaonema's maintenance conditions. 1. Light requirements. Aglaonema is renowned for its tolerance to low light conditions, making it an excellent choice for spaces with limited natural light. However, for optimal growth and vibrancy, it's best to provide bright, indirect light. Placing the plant near a north or east-facing window is ideal. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. 2. Watering. Proper watering is crucial for Aglaonema's health. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never allow it to become waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to let the top inch of the soil dry out between watering sessions. During the growing season, spring and summer, water more frequently, and reduce the frequency in the dormant season, fall and winter. 3. Humidity levels. Aglaonema plants prefer higher humidity levels, which can be a challenge in drier indoor environments. To increase humidity, mist the plant's leaves regularly or place the pot on a tray filled with water and pebbles. Another option is to group plants together, creating a microclimate that retains more moisture. 4. Temperature range. Aglaonema thrives in typical room temperatures ranging from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing the plant to extreme temperature fluctuations or drafts, as this can stress the plant and hinder its growth. 5. Soil and potting. Well-draining soil is essential to prevent waterlogged roots. A mixture of peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark creates an ideal growing medium. As the plant matures, repot it every few years to refresh the soil and give the roots room to grow. Choose a pot that provides adequate drainage to prevent water accumulation. 6. Fertilization. Regular feeding is vital for Aglaonema's overall health. During the growing season, use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half the recommended strength. Apply it every 4 to 6 weeks to ensure the plant receives essential nutrients. Reduce or cease fertilization during the dormant period to allow the plant to rest. 7. Pruning and maintenance. Trimming yellowing or damaged leaves not only enhances the plant's appearance but also encourages new growth. Regularly inspect the foliage for signs of pests or disease, which can be addressed promptly to prevent spreading. 8. Pests and diseases. Aglaonema is relatively resistant to pests and diseases, but occasional infestations can occur. Keep an eye out for common indoor pests like mealybugs, spider mites, and scale insects. If detected, treat the issue using appropriate methods such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. In conclusion, Aglaonema is an outstanding addition to any indoor space, bringing beauty and natural serenity. By adhering to the outlined maintenance conditions, you can cultivate a thriving Aglaonema plant that becomes a striking focal point in your home. Its adaptability and forgiving nature make it an ideal choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels, offering a glimpse of the wonders of the natural world within the comfort of your living space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.